Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have an unboxing. So I'm going to start with a very minor unboxing. Most of you probably won't find too interesting. I bought this off Australian eBay recently. It's, it speaks for itself. So this is a spare parts razor. But what I did buy it for was this blade bank, and you don't see these too often. Well, I certainly don't anyway. And this is a made in Canada, Gillette made in Canada blade bank, and it's pretty rough. I'll try and clean it up, see what happens, see how good it gets. It's a bit dented up. I'm not too fussed, to be honest with you. And so that's what I bought it for. Just won an auction to get it. Now I can't open it, so it can stay closed. Had these blue blades inside. So not a bad little win. It's just something, that one or two of you might find interesting. Okay, so this big bad boy I've been hanging out for a while. I know what's inside of this. I will thank my friend Adam, who lives in Hungary, Budapest in Hungary, who was my proxy address, so I could actually purchase this. It was on eBay, and I won. And it's something like, I don't have the complete range of vintage Gillettes. There's some razors that, I just believe I'll never have the chance to get hold of. Either A, they're too expensive, or B, they're unicorns, or C, they're unicorns, and if they do come on the market, you just got to have deep pockets, and I don't have deep pockets anymore. Not that I had real deep pockets, but I had deep enough back when I owned my shop. So this is a razor that, I'm happy to get it. It's something I've been wanting to get. It's actually third time lucky to get this razor, and it's in its case. And the first time I tried to get it, they don't come on the market too often. This was some years ago now, and it was on eBay, foreign country. I stayed up really late, or I got up with the alarm at stupid o'clock, and I was going to put a bid on with about 4 to 5 seconds left to go on the auction. And as I was about to click on bid, my computer screen just blinked black for a split second. And I was like, what the? And I'm frantically clicking, and I missed the bid. I would have won it. So recently another one of these came up on the market, and I put in a bid, but it just wasn't high enough. No, sorry, it was high enough. I had an E-snipe. So if you don't know, some of you will know and some of you won't, but if you Google E-snipe or something like that, or online, there's little third-party places that, for a very small fee, they'll place a bid for you on your behalf with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 seconds left to go in an auction. And so I did that to save me getting up at stupid o'clock. I had the snipe total amount of money that I had registered in eSnipe was higher than the winning bid. And doesn't guarantee that I would have won, but, good chance. And for whatever reason, although the auction was advertised on Australian eBay, it wouldn't accept it on this foreign eBay. Could have been American. I think it was American, but just rejected it. So that was the second time, and then this small group of people I hang out with in a vintage razor forum club membership thingy, they kept an eye out for me, and for half the price of the last bid, I finally got lucky. So third time lucky. Not sure what that is. Anyway, nothing in here. Ah, I see what's happened. Be careful, it's sharp. So Adam has wrapped up the tube. So you're getting an idea right now what sort of razor and case I'm getting. Oh, lovely. The brush. These are very, they're quite hard to get hold of. Just one moment. So this is jokingly the group of people razor collectors I'm a member of, are affectionately called The Brush. And this one is in a bit better condition on the left. And they're a bit hard to get hold of. I actually was able to buy this separately by itself a couple of years ago now, I suppose. That looks like it's been well used. So yeah, it's this was released by Gillette, as you can see there, and they don't come up in auction either singly or in a case too often, and that one's empty. So here it is. This case is actually quite good condition. I'm pretty stoked with it. And as you can see there, hopefully it focuses, it says Gillette across the button. Ooh, I don't like these being done up, but open up. So there's these ribbons go across there in rough sort of condition. That's okay. So this is an Aristocrat, and I've always wanted one of these. So this case came with the wrong razor, and but as luck would have it, I actually have the razor that needs to go in, and here it is. Lovely condition. I've shaved with this a few times in the past. It's just a beautiful razor on top. Lovely action. I just need the blade banks. It shouldn't be too hard to get hold of. And there it sits. So I just need 2 blade banks. I'm just really stoked to actually finally get one of these for my collection. I thought that would always elude me. But now I've got it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my razor that I've purchased, and if you don't have one of these, I hope that sometime in the future you can get hold of one, because I just think they look magnificent, absolutely magnificent. Okay, thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now. Oh, I just found them. I threw the baby out with the bath water. They're in amongst the paper. And so there they are. So let's have a look at that. Absolutely magnificent. Oh man, I'm happy. I am happy. That's just it's a thing of beauty. It what can you say? You look at your Gillette and Schick razors and etc. of today, and you think, what's happened in men's grooming? It's just become idiot proof and idiot friendly. You can just shave and not even have to switch your brain on, and you don't even need style or anything. So back in the day, this would have cost the average fella a lot of money. He probably was middle class to well off. And if he got gifted one, well, his family was either middle class or well off, wealthy. That's nice. Look at that. Thank you for sticking around, and sometime soon in the near future I will do a new den tour and show my collection. And this case is just you don't get them too often looking this good. Lovely. Okay, ciao.